people, and welcome back to Love Luxe Logic. I've been so inspired lately by my favorite YouTubers, so much that I decided to usher in the holiday season with a little Halloween Mommy and Me home decor video. Not gonna lie, this decor is mainly to keep myself and my daughter's spirits up during this season. We won't be coming home for the holidays as we'd hoped, so I chose to do this project to keep busy and enjoy the festive ambiance that it has created, especially when seen at night. I hope you enjoy watching the process. Most of the items I bought from Amazon. I'll include them in the description box if you're interested. Other items I bought from IKEA and my favorite local store here called Decor. Both the wreath and the two Halloween signs came from Amazon. I really wish the wreath was black. If it was, it would have popped off the wall a lot more. But it's champagne and it blends really nicely with the signs, so it doesn't look too bad. Every season we change the lettering on this letterboard that I got from Target maybe a year or two ago. So I Smell Children is what she chose and we went with that. I think it goes really nicely. So here are some sunflowers I found from the local Decor store, and what better way to bring in the fall season with some really pretty sunflowers, and the vase I got from IKEA. So the ghost figurines we found from Decor and the green pumpkin we got from Amazon. And I'm just here trying to figure out what looks best on this console. I'm not too happy with it, so you'll see me switching around, playing around with some stuff later. After poking around on Pinterest, I found a really cool idea, which was to put up the Christmas tree and give it a Halloween theme. The goal here was to use as much decor as I already had, but usually for Christmas, this tree has neutral colors like silver and gold, so I ordered some black ornaments from Amazon. They were late getting here, so I had planned on adding them later, which you will see in a little bit. Here I'm just doing my best to wrap the Christmas lights around the tree, the Halloween lights around the tree, and using the leftovers to drape over the rest of the console. I bought some candy corn colored decor mesh from the local BX, but I was too lazy to look on YouTube and see how to actually do it. But check me out when I get it together, and I finally decided to get a little lesson from YouTube University. She got it together and the tree looked great after that. As you can see, this is the day that the black ornaments came in, and you can tell it looks so much better. Okay, I did forget one more store that we used, which was the local BX, and we found these really cool fuzzy posable spiders, and sticking them on the tree looked so good. So here's where I went back to the console and tried again with the arrangement. I got these orange pumpkins from Decor, which were about $2,000 and the greenery I got from Target maybe a year or two ago, and I think this looks so much better, a lot more simpler. Now it's time to shift the focus on our couch and the tapestry situation. So I wanted to start with a bare table this go around, and I got the gold tray from IKEA. I got the LED lights from Amazon, and these had real wax on the outside of them, which made them look a lot more realistic. So here I am just playing around with pumpkins to see what looks good, and I decided to settle on the orange pumpkin that I got from Daiso. The greenery I got from Target a year ago, and the pumpkin also has the LED light inside, and I believe that was 2001 each, or $2. And here I am just positioning them so I can put in my Bath & Body Works candle. This is the marshmallow fireside candle, and it smells really good. So I'll be replacing my Society 6 tapestry with this one from Amazon. I believe it cost me a good 14 or 15 bucks, which isn't too bad for the size of it. And the colors are really vivid. I really like the quality of it. And I'm just using my suction cups with clips on them. I got those from Amazon too, and they just work perfectly with trying to hang whatever you need up on windows. The pillows you see here are the ones I brought from home, but the black and white ones that I'm about to bring actually came with the couch itself, and they turned out really good. I had bought some pillowcases from Amazon, these orange ones, but without them, they look really good. This is the overall look for the living room, and I'm very proud and very happy with how it turned out. Skye was very excited about the look of it too. Up next is my little coffee tea bar. This was a cute little nook on the side of the fridge in the washroom, and I thought it was perfect to put my Keurig, my electric kettle, and some greenery and a coffee mug tree, and yeah, it turned out really nicely. I just added some yellow flowers to this neutral pumpkin and sunflower floral arrangement that I got from Home Goods maybe a couple of years ago. Here's our entryway, which is pretty simple, but this was the most fun part of decorating that I had, and I think Skye enjoyed it just as much. So I put a command strip on the mirror and added that last Halloween sign. Skye's gonna go over the counter with some all-purpose cleaner, and we were a little freaked out with the motion active sensor light. It just got tired of us standing there. And I'm using those orange pumpkins that were under the tree, and I just added them over there. That last LED light, some florals. This planter actually came from Daiso, and that was about 3,001 or $3. We stuffed it with some newspaper, and Skye dumped the chocolates inside, and then these spiders we got from the local BX. And I think this was probably the part that made it so much fun, just adding the spiders on the counter, and it looks so pretty and so festive. Those are glitter spiders, so it shined in the light. It's just perfect. It turned out perfect. Last part for decor was the dining room table, and I tried my best with this, but I still feel like I'm just not a big fan of this area, but I did my best. So I'm using this white basket I got from IKEA, and I'm just gonna use the I'm gonna put these pillowcases to work, okay? So I'm just folding them nice and neatly to make it a little overlap, and then I added some florals, pumpkins, and these are some coasters that I bought from IKEA as well, and this was the turnout. So this is the overall look with all of our lights and everything turned on. Skye's just turned on the little LED lights and the ghosts and the pumpkins. And once she hits those lights, you'll see the orange LED lights, and they do come in different modes. And yeah, this is basically what we come home to every day now. I did go back and add my souvenir skull from Cabo, and it just blended perfectly in this little area in the entryway. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed the process. There were some things that I ended up moving around. I just didn't feel like it felt right, but in the end I think everything turned out pretty good. My favorite room actually is the entryway. What about you, Skye? Which room is your favorite?
The living room.
The living room? I think the living room is a pretty cool room too. I think mainly with the lights and everything, it definitely sets the mood. But yeah, it's starting to feel a lot more like Halloween is on its way. And I thought just decorating this place for Halloween and fall just kind of ushers in the holiday. Normally I don't decorate for Halloween, but I thought it was a pretty good idea to do so, especially with COVID and just being shacked up for a while. If you did like a room, let me know in the comments below, but hopefully some of my ideas and my vision help you come up with something pretty cool and creative in your space. Comment, like, and subscribe to join the L3 tribe, and we'll see you soon. Bye.